Hi, emotions and feelings, especially those heavy ones, often feel uncomfortable in our bodies. But the way to work with them is to first feel them. There is no shortcut, sorry. There is no shortcut for that. You have to feel sad in order for the sadness to flow through your body, through your energy body and leave you. And just leave the message. Because there is always a message in the emotion and feeling. So you can then express that to kind of like anchor that message in your awareness. You can express that through art, through writing, storytelling, poetry, any way you like. You can close your eyes, do some deep breathing, connect with the emotion, try to gauge what is this coming from. Is there a story behind it? Can you see a color? Can you see shape in your mind's eye? Then you can start with just making first step, put the color on the paper, put the word on the paper, and just see what your intuition guides you to. Yeah, this is very simple. This is what my workshops are about, where you can do it at home as well, anytime you want, anytime you feel you have something to work through. Okay, peace, hope it helps.